Welcome to Springfield Oaks. This is a hot neighborhood. I sold 2 homes over there, 6 on the other side, and today, let's go look at our newest listing. I'm with Martina, and welcome to the neighborhood. Wait till you see this. How huge this open space is. The sunlight streams in, and you don't back to any neighbors. Plus, I love this kitchen, and you will too. Art room, workout room, game room, or guest room. What will you make it? Springfield Oaks has great amenities, ideal location, and so much fun! Plus, how would you like to have a local Starbucks and pizza place? And you're minutes away from the mall, metro, and so much more. Come see why Springfield Oaks is hot, hot, hot. Welcome to the neighborhood.